Today's Sunday, November 10th. This is the 1970 one-year only Cadillac General Time original movement clock that has been fully reconditioned for my friend Andy. This is 1 year only because it has the Tambo wood grain trim around the bezel. This is video number 2 showing the fully assembled embodiment. I'm going to be running the unit for 48 hours under power now that it's been fully assembled, as a functional validation test prior to shipping it to my friend Andy in Orlando. This is an electromechanical design whereby the electrical current actuates it every minute or so intermittently and energizes the pivot arm and swings it back for the primary spring, and then it starts counting down. That's how we get the incremental second-hand movement, because it's an actual original clock movement that uses electrical power only to actuate the kickback arm of the primary clock spring. We also have the original tick 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 sound, and the re-energizing every 60 seconds. Okay, so today is November 10th, Sunday. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, including the original vintage, original movement General Time clocks, made by General Time for Cadillac. Today is Sunday, November 10th. Thank you very kindly.